Hi, I'm Kathy Sabali Korea. I'm 19 years old and a second-year computer programming student at Puerto Princesa School of Science and Technology. I came from Borac, Coron, Palawan, and I graduated at Borac National High School. Just recently, someone asked me, why did you choose that kind of course? Well, in fact, I chose this course because I found it challenging and good enough for students like me who dream to be a successful in life, not just because this course is in demand or you can easily hired in a job right after you graduate, but because I also have found of exploring something new in technology. I was influenced by the current developments in our country through the help of technology. There are lots of technological innovation that would development on our place, giving opportunities, job offering, as well as convenient life. And it's overwhelming that you're going to be a part of success. And speak of success, I am saying myself after 3 to 5 years, after I graduate in this school, I'll be one of those successful programming and technology industry. And if you want more information about me, you can contact me at 0907-6269953 or visit me at facebook.com, katikorea at yahoo.com. Thank you.